What's up, YouTube? Sonic Blue here, and today I've received a few copies of Wonder to give away, and I'm going to be checking that out on the Oculus Quest. So let's get right into that and see what it looks like. Now, for those of you that don't know, Wonder is a sort of Google Earth. You know, it's like a street view, sort of 3D looking. It's pretty amazing, actually. It actually shocked me when I first saw it. Just looking at it, I didn't think it'd be worth anything. And when I gave it a try, I got really addicted. You can go anywhere on the planet just about and look in, virtual reality and like kind of be there and see what it looks like there. And that's pretty cool. Uh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, okay. So now it's got the Google Maps sign on it, which used to it didn't. So they've updated a lot. Okay. Boom. Okay, now it starts you out in a random location. Just, oh yeah, so it's your right hand analog stick clicks you around, You can point somewhere, click there, and you can, go there. And of course, when you do, let it kind of load the image up, and wow, this is pretty nice. We're where I'm at. Looks like I am. Ooh, over in Europe. Okay, so let's see here. So it appears that your favorites on the go didn't transfer over, which is cool. That's cool. Yeah, this is a really nice app. We're gonna go. Um, oh, there. There's the mic. Let's go to the Dead Sea. Oops. Yep, and it got it. Voice is spot on. Let's go there. Cool. All right, so we're here at the Dead Sea. Boy, does that look amazing. Let's see how far this way we can go. Let's go. Now, some places are just, the 360 images, you can't really move through them. But if you go somewhere like Barcelona, Spain, boom. Okay, so we're here now in Barcelona, on the streets, it looks like. Just takes you to a random place unless you specify. And we can go here, out into the street, get a little look. It's pretty cool. And it may be taking a little longer due to the fact that I'm pretty far away from my router, and I'm also on the 5 gigahertz band, so it's not that strong of a band. The closer you are when you're on 5 gigahertz, the better it runs. So if you're sitting in your living room and your router's right there, this is gonna like be instantaneous almost. And I'm also streaming this over Wi-Fi, so you got to keep that stuff in mind. So we can walk the streets over here. A lot of people around here. It's pretty cool. Uh, go out here. Oh, hey, there's a DHL truck. They take forever to deliver your stuff. Okay, so let's go to New York City. Boom, here we are, New York. I'll turn the sounds off. I know you guys can't hear them, but okay, cool. Now, the multiplayer feature, let's see. So we've got somebody here in multiplayer. Let's go check them out. Win them. What's up? What headset are you on? No, no. English only. Yes. Wait, let me come to you. All right, yeah, I'm here now. Which building? Yeah, I see it. Oh, you live here? Awesome. Where's this at? France? Where we at? Awesome. Hey, what headset are you on? Oh, you're on a Go? Cool, cool. So this is crossplay. I'm on the Quest. Yeah, yeah. I was kind of wondering if it was if it had the ability to play with the Go users as well. So that's awesome. Oh yes, it's amazing. I'm loving it so far. I mean, yeah, I use the Go. I own a PSVR as well, and I used to have a Rift. Um, no, it's a big difference. The quality of the Go is amazing as well, but this is a step up in resolution, and not only resolution, but the full scale tracking, room tracking. I've got two hands and stuff. Yeah, yeah, it's better on the Quest. It's basically better all the way around. I mean, the Quest is good for what it is, but it can't hold a candle to the Quest. The Oculus Go is good for what it is, but you know, yeah, yeah, you've got full hands. You can walk around your room and stuff. Yeah, it's a big difference. Yeah, much better. Yep. Yes, it is. It looks very sharp. Wrath of the Gods. I played the demo. I didn't buy it yet. I didn't know. I'm trying to debate between it and Orbis. I don't know which one I want to get. There's a lot of nice ones on there. They're gonna, of course, be coming out with some more. I'm really anxious for Nostos. It's gonna be. It's Yeah, it's pretty pricey. Yeah, that's for the small one. I got the big one. So I paid a little bit more. Yeah, well, hey, I'll be back on here in a minute. I was actually doing a YouTube video right now. So I'm just checking out the app and, doing a little review of it. But yeah, I'll be back on in just a minute after I stop recording. Uh, Maybe you'll still be on. If not, I'll talk to you. Oh wow. I am from Alabama. Well, this is a new feature. This is a new feature. I didn't know you could go home now. Oh, it just updated. It would be really nice if I could put my own image around here because I've got a few 3D cameras or 360 3D cameras. I'm gonna reach out to the devs and see if that's possible. Well, as you can see here, I don't know where I'm at. Dallas. What is this? Oh, I'm in Alabama. Hey, I was gonna say this looks like my home. I don't live there. I live up in this region. Oh man, that touch key is a little sensitive. Okay. So yeah, let's go just click there on the beach somewhere. See if I can get a little closer to the ocean. Let's see. Where's the ocean? No, I'm right here on it. Maybe let me back out a little. I keep grabbing the trigger. Oh, let's go right here and see what we can find in the actual ocean. Oh, this is an underwater. Oh man, there's a way to make the settings go away. I'm not sure how. Oh, that's cool. Oops. Huh. Wonder what those are. Or are they just growing on it? Oh, this is a coral nursery. I get it. They're growing the coral. Well, that's cool. Huh. This is amazing. Nemo. Oh, NASA Extreme Environment Mission. Okay, so that's really cool. What is, that's a beautiful fish. I assume this thing's, whoa. Oh, there's people in there. This guy's in a towel. This thing is awesome. So this guy, what, he's living down here? Yeah, it's an Aquarius habitat. That is amazing. What else is nearby? Let's go check this out. Hmm. I'm guessing these are out in the oh hey, and you can upload your own pictures to Google Earth and have them featured on here. I'm sure because this is linked up with Google Earth, so you know we're out here in the ocean. It's pretty cool. Well, so there you have it. That was Wonder, and it was just as cool on the Quest as it was on the Go. Um, be sure to like and subscribe this video, and I'm going to be giving away 3 copies of this, free to the first 3 people to comment and to leave comments in the comment section. And be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. I'm gonna be giving away a lot of stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching.